In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram video in your gallery without a watermark. So the first thing you want to do is you want to locate a video that you would like to download and put it to your gallery. So this is the video that we're going to be working with. So what you want to do is you want to press on the paper plane icon right over here, and all you want to do is you want to select on copy link just like so. I know it's a little bit hard to see with this video in particular, but yep, you'll notice that there was going to be like an arrow button. There's going to be like a plane button, and all you want to do is you want to press on that, and there you actually are able to go ahead and copy the link. All right, but once you went ahead and copy the link, go ahead and open up any web browser. And all you want to do is you want to look up Instagram video downloader and then select on the first option right over here. Now, there's many other websites. You don't necessarily have to use this one. It's just that this is the most popular one, and it did appear on the top of the search results. But afterwards, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on download right over here. And depending on when you're watching this video, this website may or may not be down, and that is because like these websites are constantly changing and stuff like that. But yeah, then you guys should see the video that you did actually copy, and all you want to do is you want to press on download, you want to close any advertisements, and then there you go, it will now download the file. So you can go ahead and press on open, and then check this out, guys. It is now in your gallery without any watermarks. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.